Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a tasty capsicum gravy. Capsicum is also known as bell pepper. This gravy goes well with idli, dosa, chapati or even with rice. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and urad dal. When it starts to splutter, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. To this add little curry leaves. Add 2 minced onions and saute them well. Instead of chopping the onion, if you mince them and then add it to the gravy, it gives a nice consistency. Let it get sauteed till it turns into light golden brown. Onion is now well cooked. I have taken 2 bell peppers, green and red ones. Wash it and cut them into cube size. Add it now. The bell pepper has to be sauteed well till you get a nice aroma. This step is very much important so that the flavor of the bell pepper gets into the gravy and its taste is great. It's been a couple of minutes now. Let's add 2 chopped tomatoes. Give it a mix. And as soon as you add tomatoes, let's add the salt that is required for this gravy. Adding salt at this stage helps the tomatoes to get mashed well quickly. Give it a good mix and let the tomatoes get softer and mashed up well. Tomatoes are now cooked well. Now let's add all the spices that are required. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder and 2.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. You can add more chili powder if you want to. After adding all the spice powders, give it a good mix. Make sure it doesn't get burnt. It's been mixed well now. Let's add water little by little and cook this gravy till the raw smell goes off and you should be able to see some oil oozing out from the sides. It's been 2 minutes now and the gravy has been cooked well. Now it's time to add the tamarind extract. I have taken a small lemon sized tamarind and soaked it in water and got that extract. After adding the tamarind extract, let it come to boil. It started boiling now. Let's add 2 cups of water. Do not add more water because we are not going to cook this gravy for a long time. Let it come to boil. Generally capsicum tends to get cooked faster, so we need not boil this gravy for a long time. Mix it well and let it boil for 3 minutes. It's been almost 3 minutes now and the oil has started floating on the top of the gravy, which indicates that the gravy is cooked well now. It's time to turn off the stove and that's it. Our tasty and yummy capsicum gravy is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. See you all again in my next video with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.